Imagine a weapon you never hear. No missile launch, no explosion, no warning. Just a brief buzz. And it's over. This is not science fiction. This is the near future of warfare. Assassin drones, sometimes called Slaughterbots, are small autonomous systems designed to find and eliminate a specific human target. And the technology already exists. These aren't predator drones or large UAVs. Assassin drones are small enough to fit in a backpack, capable of autonomous navigation, designed to operate indoors or in dense urban environments. Built for single-target missions, they don't need a pilot once deployed, they need data. Modern assassin drone concepts rely on sensor fusion, not just cameras. That includes facial recognition, behavioural analysis, environmental mapping, wireless signal detection. This is where things escalate quickly. Facial recognition allows a drone to visually confirm a target before engagement. Not a uniform, not a location. A face wireless signal mapping allows systems to infer human presence inside rooms before entry. Phones, wearables, connected devices. The battlefield is now transparent. The payload doesn't need to be large. Precision matters more than power. Most concepts focus on shaped microcharges, kinetic impact combined with explosive force, lethality through placement, not blast radius. A strike measured in centimetres, not metres. This minimises collateral damage and maximises effectiveness. This isn't hypothetical. Autonomous targeting systems already exist in border defence, automated sentry systems, loitering munitions and AI-guided drone swarms. Several conflicts have already seen limited autonomous engagement, where human oversight was minimal or delayed. The leap from assisted autonomy to fully autonomous is small and shrinking. From a military standpoint, assassin drones offer terrifying advantages. No risk to personnel, precision elimination of high-value targets, deep penetration into defended areas, psychological impact, far beyond physical damage. They change how leadership moves, how command structures function, how security is designed. Deterrence no longer comes from visible force. It comes from unpredictable reach. This is where deterrence and danger collide. Once this technology exists, it cannot be uninvented. Proliferation becomes inevitable. State actors, non-state actors, criminal organisations. The barrier to entry is falling. The ethical, legal and strategic frameworks are lagging behind, and that creates instability. Autonomous lethal drones force a fundamental question. Assassin drones represent a shift as profound as the introduction of gunpowder or nuclear weapons. They redefine assassination. They redefine warfare. They redefine deterrence. The future battlefield may not roar. It may whisper. And by the time you hear it, it may already be too late. Who is accountable when a machine decides to kill? These systems compress decision timelines to milliseconds. There is no room for debate once deployed. That's why this technology must be understood, regulated and anticipated, not ignored.